Hey guys, welcome to Screen Time with me, Nicholas, at the Jakarta International Film Festival. So let's check out what's happening today. I'm with Lalu Rois Amri, the Program Director of Jakarta International Film Festival. Apa kabar, Mas?
Baik, terima kasih.
Mas, bisa diceritain sedikit tentang sejarah G-Fest dari awal sampai ke 9 kali 9-nya tahun ini?
Oke, kita mulai tahun 1999. Waktu itu film industri di Indonesia masih belum terlalu baik. Film yang diproduksi baru kurang dari 5. Sekarang tahun yang ke-9, film di Indonesia sudah mungkin sekitar 50. Jadi kita anggap mungkin film festival juga kontribusi terhadap industri film Indonesia. Dan tahun lalu audiens kita 63.000, terbesar di Asia Tenggara. Tahun ini untuk pertama kalinya kita fokus untuk Southeast Asia.
Now I'm with Jeffrey Schwartz, the director of Spine Tingler, the William Castle story. So, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. So, first of all, can you tell us briefly about this documentary?
This documentary is about a horror movie director from the 1950s and 60s in Hollywood, and his name was William Castle. And William Castle made low-budget horror films that were so scary that he had to put out an insurance policy against the audience in case they died of fright. He had another movie called The Tingler with Vincent Price, where he had little seat buzzers that he installed under the seats, and then he flipped a switch and electrocuted the whole audience. We're too young to have experienced all that stuff. We missed out, and, so I got to see these movies later in the 80s and 90s in New York, and I went to see The Tingler with Vincent Price, and at a certain point in the movie, the seat buzzers go off and electrocuted the audience, and everybody was screaming and having such a good time, and I thought, this is so great, I have to make a documentary about this guy.
Now I'm with Kim Ji-sok, the Program Director of Busan International Film Festival. How are you?
Hey, how are you?
How do you like G-Fest so far? What's the experience?
Well, I'm so happy to be here. The main reason why I'm here is to see new Indonesian cinemas.
Is there going to be like possibilities that you're going to bring the film to the Busan International Film Festival?
Why not? Why not? I've already decided one new Indonesian films. I've already decided, but I cannot tell you now.
Cannot tell. It's a secret. I'm seated between two young female directors from Indonesia. Say hi. Pertama-tama, congratulations karena filmnya akan diputar menjadi closing film di G-Fest tahun ini. Gimana rasanya?
Senang banget, soalnya ya film Indonesia diputar di G-Fest gitu ya, buat closing lagi, itu kan sesuatu yang membanggakan.
Secara singkat, apa sih ide besar dari film ini?
Sebenarnya ide besarnya ingin mengangkat ada 4 tema cerita tentang perempuan dengan konflik-konfliknya, seperti konflik sosial, HIV, konflik tentang pendidikan seks, terus tentang kesehatan reproduksi, pokoknya masalah-masalah yang menyangkut yang biasa terjadi dialami sama perempuan-perempuan di Indonesia yang memang jarang diangkat di film-film Indonesia pada khususnya. Gitu.
How are you, Nia?
Good. In the media, we have a lot of coverage about trafficking, HIV, sexual abuse, and such. But it has the news value, so it doesn't have any dramatic or cinematic value. And we want to do something with that content.
So, what do you think of this year Jakarta International Film Festival?
Love it. So many choice for women to watch and also to get inspired.
I'm looking too desperately.
So guys, now I'm with the famous Indonesian film writer Prima Rusdi. How are you, Prima?
I can't believe this. Finally, I'm in the same film with Nicholas Saputra. For a city that is almost like 600 years old, I think it's ridiculous that we don't have any festival that can bring in people together the way G-Fest does.
I'm a big fan of G-Fest.
What are you here for?
Watching Persepolis.
It's a cartoon, but you speak about politics. It's very good.
We're gonna watch a movie though.
Which movie?
3 Days to Forever.
My movie. Oh, I'm so flattered. Prima Rusdi, my favorite writer. From Jakarta International Film Festival, Nicholas signing off. Back to studio.